Hi, students. Let's get started with the subject English, Unit 5, Poem 5.2, The Kites. Up in the air, see the kites fly. Meaning, this line evokes a sense of freedom and joy as it describes kites soaring high in the sky, symbolizing movement, lightness, and the beauty of being unburdened. It might also suggest a playful or carefree moment. Next line, like colored birds in the wine-whipped sky. Meaning, this line enhances the imagery of freedom and beauty, comparing the kites to colorful birds fluttering in the wind. It evokes a sense of lively movement and vibrant energy, suggesting the playful and dynamic nature of life. Next line, I wish I was small and light as air. Meaning, this line expresses a longing for simplicity and freedom, wishing to be small and weightless like air, free from the burdens and complexities of life. It reflects a desire for ease and a carefree existence. Next line, I would climb on a kite and sail up there. Meaning, this line expresses a whimsical desire to escape reality and soar freely, imagining climbing onto a kite and flying high in the sky. It symbolizes a wish for liberation, adventure, and a break from life's constraints. Next line, then I would drift upon the paper wings. Meaning, this line evokes the image of floating effortlessly on delicate, fragile paper wings, symbolizing freedom, serenity, and a gentle escape from the worries of the world. It suggests a dreamlike state of tranquility and lightness. Next line, and hear the songs that the wild wind sings. Meaning, this line enhances the sense of freedom, imagining the speaker listening to the songs of the wind, untamed and wild. It symbolizes nature's voice, bringing a sense of connection to the world and its natural rhythms, filled with untapped beauty and energy. Next line, what fun it would be to look right down. Meaning, this line conveys a sense of exhilaration and joy, imagining the fun of looking down from above, perhaps from the perspective of flying or soaring through the air. It reflects a sense of wonder and curiosity about the world from a new vantage point. Next line, over the park and the rooftops of town. Meaning, this line imagines the view from above, looking down over a park and the rooftops of a town. It evokes a sense of exploration and freedom, seeing the familiar from a different perspective, where the world below seems small and peaceful. Next line, the people below would stand and stare. Meaning, this line suggests that the people below, seeing the speaker from above, would be amazed or intrigued, pausing in their daily lives to gaze upward. It evokes a sense of wonder and curiosity from those witnessing something extraordinary or unusual. Next line, and wish they were me, high in the air. Meaning, this line reflects the idea that the people below, observing the speaker's freedom and elevated perspective, would long to be in their place, free and soaring high in the air. It highlights the allure of freedom and the desire to escape the confines of everyday life. Thanks for watching.